Today I'm making chicken satay noodle. You know it easy to serve with noodle. Don't have to put the skills on. I'm gonna show you the way. Hi there everyone, your favorite chef here. Noi, N-O-I. Now I'm gonna introduce you new baby. This one marine new sauce. Right now in Australia, you can get this at Coles. Only place in the world. I don't like you to miss out. You're not in Australia. You can find marine satay sauce in the website. This is not just satay sauce, a spicy satay sauce. It's the best, I say so. First we're gonna marinate the chicken. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So easy. I'm using chicken thighs today. I cut into small chunks. Pour the sauce on the chicken. This one we can use mayonnaise and dipping sauce. See how good? Mix it all up. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna spread chicken out on a tray. I put foil down first. I don't like it messy. Spread it all out. You can leave mayonnaise longer, but the flavor is so good, you don't need to. Now I'm gonna put a hot grill on the oven. Easier than pan fry. Now plenty time to cook noodles. Today I'm using rice vermicelli. Today I'm using rice I don't know. In Thai we call sen mi. Put the noodle in the boiling water. This one not take long to cook. Don't you go check your phone anything. Must look at the noodle. You just taste the noodle. This look good. In our cooked noodle, no good. Put it straight in the cold water. Now I'm gonna show you how to wrap the noodle nice and cute. Make it cute like nice. Just you pick up a little bit on your finger. You don't want too big. Just cut it half like this. See, now you got a nice little bun. Easy to put on a plate, easy to mix up. I like 2 or 3 buns in one person. Now I'm gonna cut a cucumber and a chili. I like to have something green and crunchy. Must eat your vegetable. Slice it half. And now I'm gonna make it a little chunky. You know, I like it spicy. I'm gonna add some fresh chili too. Oh, forget this thing. Now let's cooking. Now let's cooking. Now let's cooking. Pretend I say earlier. How the young lady can forget this thing? No, I not forget. Not like my son-in-law. Forget everything. This is my birthday. Didn't give me a present. That's okay. I know he loved me anyway. Everyone loved Noi. Oh, look at chicken. So easy. Now I'm gonna serve it up. Put the chicken on the noodle. Wow, this smells so good, everyone. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of cucumber. Now I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of red chili. I like to put some fresh herb too. You don't have to, but it's up to you. Some Thai basil and coriander. I like to put some warm satay sauce on the bowl. Don't have to add anything else. Just heat up the satay sauce. Oh, look at that. Finally some lamb. Another winner from Noi. Oh, tastes good. I love this one.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. So our sauces and marinades are in Coles in Australia right now. What should people do?
Head to Coles, you don't miss out.
Listen to Noi.
Yeah.
Become the first